Loyalty Accelerator Program. One of my favorite things about leasing a Mercedes-Benz, on top of all of the things that I talk about all the time, like downside risk protection, getting a new car every couple of years, making sure that you've got the flexibility that most consumers really need. The Loyalty Accelerator Program allows you to get out of your Mercedes-Benz lease 3 months early at no penalty to you. And what I mean by that is not, oh, we can get you out of your lease 3 months early and you'll roll 3 payments into a new one. No. What we mean is you can get those last 3 payments waived entirely. So think about that. You've got 3 payments left on your lease, but now you can get all 3 of those payments waived completely and get into a new lease at no penalty. That means that 36-month lease that you picked is really only a 33-month lease, which is pretty cool. Not only that, but right now we've got all kinds of cool loyalty programs from Mercedes-Benz that apply to current lessees of the brand, which means that if you have a lease that's expiring before September 30th, then you can get additional cash incentives that go towards your next new car. See, Mercedes-Benz is very big on rewarding loyalty to the brand, and that's just from the manufacturer. Never mind what the dealer is going to do for you if you've got a good relationship with that dealer. But Loyalty Accelerator Program, one of the things that is often misunderstood is that this is not just a dealer speak way of, oh, let's get you out of your car 3 months early. No. This is, we actually can get those 3 payments waived entirely. Who doesn't like getting out of their new car a little bit sooner? This is especially helpful if maybe you're getting a little bit close on your allowable miles. Maybe you did a 12,000 mile per year lease, which would give you 36,000 allowable miles. And maybe at the 2-year or 9-month mark, you're getting close to that 36,000 allowable miles. Well, boom, we get you out early. Those 3 payments get waived, you get into a new car. Now, here's the thing. A lot of you are saying, oh, leasing, I don't want to lease because you don't ever own anything. Well, here's the deal. What do you own, really? You own something that becomes less valuable every day? I think we can all agree that a car is not a smart financial decision. Unfortunately for all of us, we love cars, we want cars, they're part of our lives, they make us happy. Less and less Americans are even buying homes anymore, right? It used to be that a home would be the biggest purchase most people made in their lives, and a car would be second. Well, now, for a lot of Americans, the car might be the most expensive purchase that you ever make in your life. So a lot of us really love our cars. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you like a nice car, drive a nice car. And when you lease it, you give yourself all kinds of protections on that vehicle that you just don't have when you buy it. We appraise cars every day where people have been in accidents, and they're usually silly ones. Somebody backed into me in the parking lot, and now I've got this multi-$1,000 ding on my trade value because I own it, and I don't have the option to turn it into the manufacturer. You also, if you buy a car and finance it, you're not going to have loyalty programs from the bank or your credit union to waive payments and get you out early. And if the market doesn't hold well on the value of that vehicle, well, you're going to be left holding the bag. So Mercedes Loyalty Accelerator Program, it is a great benefit. If you're in a Mercedes lease now, then 3 of your remaining payments can be waived. And here's something that's cool. If you are less than 3 months out from your lease expiring, but you've just recently made a payment, within 10 days, we can get you that payment back. Do you have an EV? Do you have an EQ? Well, you've got a 5-payment pull-ahead program. So if you're in an EV now, a Mercedes EQ, we can waive up to 5 payments to get you out early. Waived entirely. They go away. Nobody owes them. They're not going to be rolled into your deal. It's an important distinction to understand, and it's a great perk to being a Mercedes-Benz loyal client. My name is Doug with BenzsandBowties. Follow for more behind-the-scenes dealership content, tips, tricks, and general car buying knowledge.